Today, I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable friction pot crane. Now this thing you can raise up and down, you can move it on the fire, off the fire, and it is absolutely amazing when you're in the woods and cooking. Now for this, you're going to need 3 sticks. You're going to need a pole, which I've already sharpened the end. You're going to need a Y branch, and you're going to need what I call a stop block. Now this stop block fits on top of this Y branch, and this is what's going to cause the friction on your adjustable pot crane. We're going to lash this stop block onto this Y branch, and I'm going to use paint line to lash it. I'm just using an overhand loop knot, and I'm going to slide it over my stop block. Now I know where I want to lash it, which is right here, so I'm going to just go ahead and start with the lashing. I like to use a toggle or a Marlinespike hitch. Just flip it around and over on itself like this. Insert your toggle. Oops. And pull, that way you can get it nice and tight. And then we're going to close this off with a clove hitch. That way it's good and tight, and it's on there. Now we're going to repeat the same thing for the other side. Now that we have the Y branch and the stop block lashed together, it's time to drive the pole into the ground. All right, you want it to be kind of sturdy, so you're going to hammer it in the ground pretty deep. Now that we've driven our pole into the ground, we're going to take this Y branch with the stop block and we're going to slide it right over the top here. This stop block is going to cause friction, and it is actually going to cause tension and keep this from falling down. Now the only thing we need to do is put a notch on this end of our Y branch in order to hold our pot. So we're going to cut a simple V notch on the end of this right here. What this V-notch is going to do is cause our bail to not slide back and forth, so our pot is going to be stuck in this little V-notch area. Now that we got our pot on here, we can raise it, we can lower it, we can slide it off of the fire, we can slide it back onto the fire. This is just an all-around basic, amazing setup that I use all the time whenever I go into the woods, whenever I'm hunting, camping, fishing, or whatnot for a long extended period. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, let me know if you ever use this technique in the woods, and I'll see you next time on Spear Outdoors. God bless you.